The return of an icon is making waves in the automotive world. Ford has done something truly remarkable by bringing back a legendary nameplate, the Crown Victoria. The 2025 Ford Crown Victoria is here, and it redefines what we expect from a full-size sedan. This vehicle is more than just a nod to the past, it is a modern interpretation of a classic, built with cutting-edge technology, performance, and comfort in mind. Ford enthusiasts and automotive fans have been waiting for this moment. The Crown Victoria holds a special place in the hearts of drivers, law enforcement, and taxi services. Known for its durability, reliability, and unmistakable presence on the road, the original Crown Victoria left an indelible mark. Now, the 2025 version brings that legacy into the future. At first glance, the 2025 Crown Victoria commands attention. It boasts a bold and modern design while retaining subtle cues from its iconic predecessor. The front grille is imposing, featuring a refined mesh pattern with chrome accents, giving it a stately and powerful appearance. Sleek LED headlights seamlessly integrate into the design, and the sculpted hood adds to the vehicle's muscular stance. The overall shape is aerodynamic yet maintains the authoritative presence that Crown Victoria fans loved. Stepping inside the 2025 Crown Victoria reveals a cabin that blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. Premium materials are found throughout, with leather seats, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents creating an upscale atmosphere. The spacious interior ensures that both drivers and passengers experience maximum comfort. Rear passengers benefit from ample legroom, while the front seats offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Technology is at the forefront of this revival. The dashboard features a massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with Ford's latest SWNC system, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and voice commands. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, ensuring drivers have all the information they need at a glance. Advanced connectivity features, including 5G compatibility and over-the-air software updates, keep the Crown Victoria future-proof. Performance is where the 2025 Crown Victoria truly shines. Under the hood, Ford offers multiple powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. The base model is equipped with a robust 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, delivering an impressive 335 horsepower and 380 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 producing 400 horsepower is available.